All right, we are now on Life Plans Project Part 4, and you're going to go in and you're going to put some formulas into your spreadsheet. So what we want to do is we want to total up this column. Even though there's nothing in it, we don't need it. Now, this actually is totaling up that column. We can copy that, Control C, press Control V here, and then if I click up in here, it shows me, oops, I need that to go up one. Oh, no, I don't actually. That is just fine because that's not an expense up there, and that one shouldn't actually be blue. Let's go ahead and make it not blue. Let's go over here to fill color and go reset, and it's just plain now. So now our transportation has come over. I don't know what your payment was, but that all depends upon what you found over here. And mine was $39.97. You actually needed to put a minus in front of this. So we come up here and we put a minus in front of that, and then it presents it as a positive value, which is going to work much better for you. There we go. So now we know that this is the total, and now we want to know what our net budget is. All right, so we have that total. Now we want to know what's left over out of our budget. So we're going to put, our paycheck. Remaining, got to click back over here again, remaining balance. Now I actually want that column to be a little bit wider, so I'm going to make that fit by hovering over that intersection between the two until I get the double-headed arrow. Now what I'm going to do is put a formula in here, and I'm going to hit equal this amount, which is my net salary, minus this amount. So there we go. Now my grocery, I should have come up with a total down here, and here's my total, which will not be yours. So I can go back over to budget, and I can go into food and I type equal, and then I click the grocery tab, and then I click in that total and hit enter, and notice it brings that over. Now the great thing about that is that when I go back into grocery and I add 4 steaks at $14.95, and there we go. I need to drag that down because that's my formula there. So what I did is I clicked there and I hovered over the fill handle in the lower right hand corner, and then I dragged it down, and you'll notice that added that $59.80 and made my food budget now $80, and it's now showing up over here. So your housing is going to have to be $300, and it's going to actually include your utilities. There we go. And your insurance, I'm going to type equal. Everyone's is going to be the same. It's going to be right there, insurance. Now, so you don't have any utilities. And, oh dear, what has happened here? Look at this. We are already over our budget. Ouch, that hurts. Something has to change. So what is it that's going to change? You're going to go ahead and put in your other things. Your phone is going to be entertainment. So if you think you have to have a cell phone, you have to add the monthly charge in here. So I pay $50 a month for mine. Don't know what you pay, but I am $55.33 in the hole now. When it gets in parentheses like that, that means that is a negative number. So you're going to go ahead and put this in here, and then you're going to look at it and ask yourself, what am I going to do about this? So that's a very good question, and we're going to talk about it in class.